Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel and my name is Christina Bosumatari and I hope you all are doing good. So in the previous videos I have given you the two parts related to the current affairs, right? So today I'm thinking to come up with a new topic, okay, that is the determiners that will fall under the first paper, right? That is the general English. So since some of you have requested me to explain the things with Hindi language, but I don't think so I will be able to explain it because I'm not that much influent, okay, with the or fluency in Hindi language. Okay, for that please do forgive me, and from the next video still I will try to put some Hindi words, okay, along with the English explanation. So without any further delay, let's go to our discussion of the determiners right now. And yes, let me tell you, do not skip this video, okay? Watch it till the end. I have brought up some of the important, okay, fill in the blanks related to this determiners, okay? We will read it for like 2 to 3 minutes about the determiners, and I hope you all will attempt the exercises or the 6 sets of practice that you will find it after this lecture. So what we know in the first, determiners means what? Determiners, they are the words like, just remember, these, those, my, their, which, okay, they belong to the determiners, and they are such special adjectives, means the quality that are used what before the nouns. Very important. And under this, what we have to know about the articles. So what are these articles? That is the words like a, an, and the. This, they belong to the group of what? They belong to the group of words called the determiners. Very important. So remember again here, the words like a, n, they are called the indefinite articles. So you can use them with the singular nouns also to talk about any single person or the thing. We all know about this a, n, okay, and a, n, they are the indefinite articles. See here, with the picture you can understand it more better. Can you hear a bird singing? Signifies what? That is a single bird, okay? Here, do you wear a uniform to school? Single uniform. And here this is a picture of an elephant. Example, Rudy is reading a book, okay? Example, you can see it, okay? Have a look at it. Now again, what we have to know here is that the article an is usually what? Used before words beginning with the vowels. We all know about the vowels like, right? See, the article a is used before words beginning with the consonants. Very, very important. Then the word the is called the definite article. Remember, the word the is called the definite article. And use the before the noun when you are talking about a certain person or a particular person or the thing. Very, very important. Example here, the telephone is ringing. One example. And second example is Tom has the race. Tom has won the race. And in the third we have, where's the cat? I think she is under the bed. That signifies the particular situation, okay? Again, example here, the ice is melting here. And you can also use the before a noun when there is only one. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the front door of my house. These are the examples of using the, okay? That is before the noun. So I hope you all know about the noun, okay? That is the particular names, okay, or the particular place, okay, or the human being. These are the things. Now let's talk about the parts of determiners. One is the demonstrative determiners. The words like these, that, these, and those, they are the determiners. That is the demonstrative determiners. These words are called what? Demonstrative determiners, or also the demonstrative adjectives. Very important, okay? Demonstrative adjectives. Now I am keeping these books is one of the example of what? Demonstrative determiners. And I am selling those books is also the DA, okay, short form of the demonstrative adjectives. Now see, these are the example. Just have a look at it. And here what you can find, okay, you use this and this to point what? To people or the things near you. And we can use that and those to point to people or things that are further from you. Then again, you have to remember here, this and that, they fall under what? Singular. And this and those, it falls under what? Plural, okay? Then we will have the another parts of determiners, that is the interrogative determiners. We all know interrogative means what? Questioning. So we use the words like what, which, whose, what before nouns to ask about the people or things. Okay, example. And these words are even called interrogative determiners or the interrogative adjectives. Very important. See example, what size do you wear? What kind of bird is this? So these are all the interrogatives. See the examples here. See. So last we have what? Again, possessive determiners. So these are what? My, your, his, her, its, or their. They are called the possessive determiners or the possessive adjectives. Very important. And you can use these words before nouns to say, okay, what, who something belongs to. See, I lent Margaret my guitar, example, and the dentist asked his patient to open her mouth. Very important. So, is this your house? Is also an example. Have a look at it. So, here you have to remember is that the first person signifies in singular what? My. In the plural, our. And second, your. And third person is their, her, their, its, their. Very important. These are the possessive determiners. Okay. Then now we have come to the practice set, that is the exercise 1, and I hope you all will attempt it. I will not attempt everything. Okay, I'll just attempt exercise 1 and 2 along with you, and this is your homework to attempt the rest of the exercises, and in the next video I shall come up with the solution. Okay, I hope you all will practice it. Okay, please attempt it. Now see, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Very important. It's very easy, but still, okay, in the examination we might forget it. So let's do a revision. Okay, let's do the exercise 1. So first, what you will have according to you, think it. That's all. What it will be, remember that vowel. Okay, before the vowel o, what we can write, we have to write an. Okay, then number 2, what, it will be a rocket. Okay, if I am wrong, please do comment it. And number 3, what you will write, again here an. Number 4, particular, right? You remember that, the. And what, a or single page, or we can say the a computer. Just remember, I hope you all have attempted with me. Number 6, it will be the a computer. And number 7, what, so this is a particular thing, right, the. And it will be the, okay, the. So when I see this the word, I remember that I have the habit of saying the before the names, right? Someone has corrected me yesterday, and I'm very much thankful for that. And see in the number 9, what we have? Number 9, I think we can write a mango. That is the single mango, right? Attempt with me. And here we have the vowel a, so we will write an here. And here we have vowel again e, so we will write an here. So last what? So I think it will be a baby. Okay, a baby or the baby, I don't know. So you attempt it. Okay, right now I won't tell the answer. Now see exercise 2, what you have to do. Come, do with me, attempt with me. Okay, whether it might be right or wrong, please attempt with me. So here number 2 exercise, what we have, write a and the in the blanks to complete the sentences. So number 1, what you will have according to you? So according to me, there is a rainbow. So this will be, there is a rainbow in what? In the sky. Or what? Please do correct me if I'm wrong. Number 2, who is, here will be I think a, who is the man outside the gate? Or who is the man outside the gate? I don't know, I'm right confused here. Please attempt with me and correct me if I'm wrong. Then here what we can say? Can say the doctor gave Jane what? An injection. And number 4, according to you, what will be the answer? Ki hobo number 4. Paul opened the door to let the dog in. Do you think like that? Paul opened the door to let the dog in. Please do correct it if I'm wrong. And Mark is the only child in the family. So what's the largest animal in the world? See, I got most of the answer the. There's a nest in the tree. Sue is writing a letter to her grandfather. Jake has a brother and a sister. We reached the top of a hill. I think top of a hill in 2 hours. If it is wrong, then correct me. So these are your homework. Okay, these are, have a look at it. These are exercise 3 and exercise 4, exercise 5 and exercise 6. Okay, I hope you all will attend it, and next we will learn about the different topics, okay, under the general English. So these are, you can just pause the video and attempt it, okay, and please give me your answers in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, all the best for your exams, and bye bye, take care.